So someone asked, Ate, ano po yung SDG? So, let me explain something. So, ang SDG ay Sustainable Development Goal or pandaigdigang layunin para sa development goal. Ito ay universal na panawagan para kumilos na iunlad ang mga bansa. Ito naman ay walang tinutukoy na social status. Lahat ay kailangan. For example, ikaw man ay mahirap, mayaman, or kung ikaw man nasa kalagitnaan lang. Tinayo naman ang SDG noong September 2015 ng United Nations or organisasyon para sa mga nagkakaisang bansa. Ang layunin naman ng SDG ay, of course, una ay wakasan ang kahirapan dahil ito ay main conflict ng buong mundo. And pangalawang conflict naman na talagang apektado ang lahat ay pagandahin or paunlarin ang ating kalikasan at saka of course ang kapayapaan sa buong mundo. May tatlong sinasaklaw ang SDG: for economy, for environmental, and para sa ating society. Ang main principle naman ng SDG ay, or quote is, to leave no one behind or walang iwanan. May binubuo na 17 components. Dito ay pinapakita yung mga guide para sa development. Una ay no poverty, sunod ay zero hunger, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, sustainable cities and communities, responsible consumption and production, climate action, life below water, life on land, peace, justice, and strong institution, and lastly, the partnership for the goals. As you can hear naman, sa 17 components na yon ay all about siya sa pagpapabuti ng ating economy, ng ating kalikasan, at sa ating society rin. So in shorter word, ang SDG or Sustainable Development Goal ay isang roadmap or guide para mapabuti or mapanatili ang sustainable na hinaharap. Yun lang. Salamat!
According to the United Nations Department of Economic and Social Affairs, or UNDESA, science, technology, and innovation, or SDI, play a crucial role in helping the world achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. Science provides the knowledge and evidence needed for governments to make wise and informed decisions, while technology creates new ways to solve real-world problems. From using AI in farming and healthcare to developing clean energy and digital tools. SDI helps improve lives and protect the planet. It also addresses important issues like food security, climate change, and environmental care. Most importantly, the UN emphasizes cooperation, inclusiveness, and equal participation, especially for developing nations, so that everyone can benefit from progress and no one is left behind.
Hi guys! So today, we're gonna conclude about how the science and technology helps achieve the SDG or the Sustainable Development Goals. So let's start it. Science and technology are essential tools for achieving the Sustainable Development Goals by providing innovative solutions to global challenges. Also, help us better understand problems and develop effective modern ways to solve them across all areas. So, for example, science gives us a clear picture of climate change and its impact, while technology offers solutions like renewable energy sources like solar and wind, and smart grids to make energy clean and affordable. In agriculture, science and technology lead to new crop varieties that resist drought and diseases, and uses digital tools to help farmers manage resources efficiently. For health, medical research develops vaccines and treatments, and telemedicine uses digital technology to bring healthcare to remote areas. Overall, science drives economic growth, improved education through online learning, and provide data to monitor progress and make better decisions, ensuring that development is both effective and sustainable for everyone. And that's all for today. Thank you guys!
Hala, over naman sa silid. So, wait lang. So, ano nga ba ang SDG? Let's find out.
Hey guys, guess what day it is? So today, magtatanong tayo ng mga student kung may alam ba sila about SDG. Ay, ito na lang si ate. What's your name po?
Krisha Basanta po.
So for 100 pesos po, ano po ba sa naiisip nyo na isa sa mga problema po ng bansa natin?
So, isa sa napansin ko is yung sa flood control, di ba? Parang, ang problem kasi sa atin is konting ulan lang is nababaha na yung lugar natin.
Okay, so may 100 na siya. So next po, for 100 pesos din po ulit, ano po yung naisip nyong solusyon about doon?
Isa sa alam ko parang may program na pinapatupad na parang nakakatulong siya masagot yung mga problem na ganito, katulad ng mga poverty, ganyan, and yung problem nga sa bansa natin.
Ay, may knowledge si ate, kabog. So kung may alam po kayong ganon, so alam nyo na rin po kung ano yung SDG. So for another 100 pesos po, what is SDG?
Yun ba yung Sustainable Development Goal?
Ay, pasabog! Ito po. What is SDG for 100 pesos?
Ha? Hindi ko po alam.
Oh. For 100 pesos, alam mo ba yung SDG?
Ay, di po. Di ko po alam.
For 100 pesos po, may alam po kayo sa SDG?
Ako alam ko yan.
Oh, sige.
Yes, ako na. So, yung SDG, ano siya, parang parang development siya na makakatulong na masolusyonan yung mga problem natin dito sa bansa. Pwede nating i-include dun yung mga mga advancement technology na makakatulong para masolusyonan yung mga ganun, di ba?
Okay.
Sabi ko na, alam ko to eh.
Thank you. Ate, alam mo ba yung SDG?
Opo.
So, for 100 pesos po, ano pong purpose nun?
Sa pagkakaalam ko po yung purpose nito is para sa magandang hinaharap para sa lahat.
Okay, so ito may 100 pesos na si ate. So, follow-up question lang po. So, sa tingin nyo ba, yung science and technology is makakatulong siya alongside with SDG?
Hindi po ako sure.
Okay, wag na. Ate, do you know what is SDG?
Yes po.
So, alam mo na rin yung purpose niya.
Yes po.
Okay, so my question is, okay lang ba sa'yo tanungin?
May magagawa pa ba ako?
Okay, so for 20 pesos, kasi naubos na yung premyo ko sa iba eh. Okay na ba yan?
20 pesos lang? Okay.
So, okay, yung question ko is, sa tingin mo ba yung science and technology is connected siya along with SDG?
Sa tingin ko, oo, dahil sa kadahilanan na ang science at technology ay isa sa mga pangunahing tumutulong na maisabuhay ang SDG sa lipunan.
Okay, thank you. Bye!